What's up guys, it's Mika, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own DIY t-shirts. Alright guys, so just go ahead and follow the instruction on the photo emulsion kit. You just want to mix the sensitizer with the photo emulsion and make sure you mix it thoroughly, and then you're going to apply it to your screen and what is called flood. You're going to flood the screen completely to make sure that you get the entire emulsion on the over the screen. Okay guys, so once that step is done, you're going to want to elevate your screen on top of a black paper in a dark room, so that way it can fully dry. I use push pins on each corner of the frame and then just allow it to dry in my closet. Alright, and once your screen is dry, you're going to want to take your design. So I'm just using my logo name for my photography business, taking that and then pretty much sandwiching it in between the screen and a piece of glass, and I used glass from a picture frame. And then you want to make sure that the light is about 12 inches hanging above the frame, and then it's also placed in a dark room with a black paper underneath, and you want it to sit for about an hour to 30 minutes. I've done this before and I know that an hour and 30 minutes works well for exposing the screen. Alright, and you're going to see a lighter green. That lighter green color, it's what's going to rinse out once you're applying the spray nozzle to your screen, and then that's where the ink is going to pass through once it's dry. Alright, here you go guys. You can see that the lighter green section is pretty much now clear. I washed out all of the emulsion out of that, so then the ink will be able to pass through and then you'll get your image onto your shirt. I'm just taping off areas because I don't want ink to go through where I don't want it to be. So just go ahead and tape off that area if you have mistakes like I do, and then you just pretty much want to set up your printing time now. So place a sheet of paper inside of your shirt and then place your screen right on top of the designated area that you want for the logo to be. And I'm just showing you how to pass the squeegee over the design, applying your ink to an offside area and then taking your squeegee and just pretty much pulling through without any pressure for the first couple of passes. And then after you have placed the ink, pretty much flood the screen again with ink, then you're going to apply pressure on your third or fourth time of passing the ink over. And guys, you are done. That was so simple, so quick, so easy. And now all I'm doing is putting paper on top of my design once it's dry, taking my iron and just applying heat to it. I'm heat setting my design so that way when I do wash it, it stays on the shirt. And here is the final project, and I am absolutely in love with it. It's so simple, and I'm going to be creating some more designs. Thank you guys for watching.